69-year-old man is brought to the emergency department 1 hour after developing shortness of breath and squeezing chest pain that began while he was mowing the lawn. He has asthma, hypertension, and erectile dysfunction. He's been taking salmeterol, amlodipine, which is a calcium channel blocker, lisinopril, which is AC inhibitor, vardenafil, which is phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor. His pulse is 110, slightly tachycardic, and blood pressure is 122/70. Okay. Physical examination shows diaphoresis, and ECG shows sinus tachycardia. Now he's been given sublingual nitroglycerin because he's having squeezing chest pain, right? To increase the blood flow, he's been given nitroglycerin. Now 5 minutes later, his pulse is shooting 137 per minute, and blood pressure dropped 78/40. Which of the following is most likely mechanism of action of hypotension? So you have to know the mechanism of action of nitroglycerin. And why is this happening? Nitroglycerin, along with one more drug, that is vardenafil, which is a PDE5 inhibitor, is causing hypotension. Why? Because of increase of cyclic GMP. Again, we come back to G protein pathways, very important. This is same as our last question. Sublingual nitroglycerin and vardenafil. The patient has what? The patient is given sublingual nitroglycerin, right? And the patient was taking amlodipine, lisinopril, vardenafil, salmeterol for his asthma, hypertension, and erectile dysfunction. Now he's having shortness of breath and squeezing, right? Now, what is the which of the following is most likely mechanism of action, mechanism of the patient's hypotension? Very easy question, because we know the mechanism of action of nitroglycerin. Nitroglycerin can cause increase in nitric oxide. So nitric oxide, what it does is it causes formation of nitroglycerin. Where does it come from? It comes from endothelial cells. Okay, so let's say this is a muscle. This is endothelial cell. So arginine is one of the amino acids, arginine. It forms nitric oxide. Okay, this is a fact you have to know. Arginine is an amino acid which forms nitric oxide. This nitroglycerin, when you give, stimulates formation of nitric oxide. So this guy, nitric oxide, causes increase in cyclic GMP because he stimulates guanylate cyclase, which is an enzyme which forms cyclic GMP. Got it? So cyclic GMP is increased by nitric oxide because guanylate cyclase is stimulated by nitric oxide. So, but cyclic GMP has one more enemy which can degrade him. What is it? It is called phosphodiesterase, right? Now, if we inhibit this also, he won't be degraded. We are taking one more drug which is inhibiting phosphodiesterase, that is vardenafil. So both vardenafil and nitroglycerin are increasing cyclic GMP. So GTP causes cyclic GMP formation, and this is degraded by phosphodiesterase into degradation product. Now this guanylate cyclase is stimulated by nitroglycerin. He is inhibited by vardenafil. So what is the end product? This increases. Everyone got it, right? So cyclic GMP increases. So if cyclic GMP increases, this causes relaxation of smooth muscle. There is relaxation of smooth muscle. Everyone got it, right? If there is relaxation of smooth muscle, what happens? Smooth muscle is relaxing. Blood vessel is relaxing. You will have pooling of blood in the legs. So you will have hypotension. I hope everyone got it. There is the physiology behind cyclic GMP, right? Now, if we go through the options, okay, I will quickly ask where these are occurring. Can anyone tell bradykinin accumulation is because of what drug? Please tell me what drug causes bradykinin accumulation. Bradykinin can cause cough, angioedema, wheezing. What is the drug which causes cough, angioedema, wheezing? This drug is used in hypertension. Very good. Yeah, ACE inhibitors causes bradykinin accumulation. Okay. Is he taking ACE inhibitor? Yes, he's taking lisinopril. He's taking ACE inhibitor, but he's not having other cough, angioedema, and his symptoms. Right? He's not having any of these. Only his blood pressure is low, pulse is high. Only those problems are there. If they had given cough, angioedema, we could have considered bradykinin accumulation, that is ACE inhibitors. Now, calcium channel antagonism, are they using amlodipine, right? They're using amlodipine. Does it cause low blood pressure? It can cause, right? Because a calcium channel blockers decreases hypertension, right? Now, it can cause drop in blood pressure. However, this class of drugs really causes acute severe hypertension. Okay, in conjunction with nitroglycerin. So you have to know our main motto is vardenafil and nitroglycerin. If you mix, you will have severe hypotension, which is acute. This quality is not there with calcium channel agonist. Then alpha agonist like prazosin again can cause hypotension, but when you take nitrates, it doesn't it is not that significant. Okay. Now, decrease nitric oxide production, no. Increase nitric oxide production, as we told the physiology. Now, last option, histamine release. Histamine release can cause hypotension in anaphylactic shock, but they will also have wheezing, nausea, vomiting, and urticaria, angioedema, similar to your bradykinin accumulation. Okay, this is how you rule out option. So our answer is cyclic GMP elevation.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.